Welcome. Today in front of me XIAOMI 12X, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere App on this device. So first we should go to the Play Store application to get the Ampere App. So here in the search pool enter the Ampere, and now we should get this application. So tap to install and wait a second while the application downloading and installing. Now just open the app. Here click yes I agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap to OK here. And now you can see here the information, the section with the information of our device battery temperature. In my case that's 32 degrees. And also here we get the other information like the Android version, device model, and more. Another info about our device battery like the level, capacity, health, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.